Alright guys, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin, we happen to be here at Norway, Michigan. And I know we are coming to get past this, but I remember this town being one of the cute little towns, and I thought I saw something very Norwegian, like a big ship, if I remember right. We're about to find out. And there is a ship. I thought I was crazy for a minute, but no, I thought I saw a ship.
Part of their signage.
Oh boy. So this is Norway, Michigan. Let's see if we can go downtown to see if they have a beautiful church. They usually do. So if you guys ever come to Iron Mountain, there, honestly, I mean, I don't want to say this just because I say this, but it's one of my favorite towns. Iron Mountain has a lot of things to do. They have a lot of historical museums. They have the Iron Mountain, what is that, cave or mines?
Oh, it's an iron ore mine. It tours.
Yeah, I thought that was historical. That's really nice too. They got the best pasties, we already know that. But also they got the best jumping ski, right, hon?
Well, there is a ski jump up here, yes.
A ski jump. And for me personally, they have a lot of stuff to do here. This is one of my favorite towns. They have a lot of things to do, a lot of good places to come and eat, and a lot of outdoor activity. So, and next to Iron Mountain, you see Norway. Is this Norway?
This is
Norway, Michigan, right? Oh, and we were in Niagara.
Because that is the highway that would go back. We could take that south if we wanted to, down to...
Oh, to Green Bay and Escanaba. Got it. I see.
Yeah, because we came in here before.
Got it. So what is downtown here?
We're kind of in it.
Oh, this is it? Oh.
It's not a very big place.
Oopsie. I thought it was a little bigger.
No.
Beautiful little town, guys. Beautiful little town. Norway, Michigan. Downtown. It looks beautiful, honestly. I like it. Alright guys, so here at Jessica in Wisconsin. We happen to be walking downtown Norway, Michigan. This is downtown. Honestly, I never been here before. We only drove by a few times, but from what I see, it's actually a really nice town. I like it a lot. See? People say friendly people, I'll tell you. Bye guys. Esos muchachitos, they're nice, cute little boys, I'll tell you. Nice little town, guys. So this is Norway, Michigan, once again. Wow, what a nice little park, eh? This is nice. Look at that. Vikings. So if you guys like little towns like I do, I definitely recommend for you guys to come and check it out. This is next to Iron Mountain, Michigan, just to give a heads up, folks. Very welcoming people. It says, welcome to City of Norway, Michigan. Nice. Nice. Look at that. It's a little overcast today. Yes, a little bit overcast. Gotta watch out for the road, guys. Well, once again, thank you for watching us here at Jessica in Wisconsin. I definitely want to say thank you. And thank you to the subscribers. Thank you to the new subscribers to come. This is Norway, Michigan. Look at that. Beautiful town. We'll see you in the next video, guys, and thank you once again for watching us here at Jessica in Wisconsin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.